everyone! In today's lesson, we are going to look at how to use iMovie in 5 minutes. We will cover all the basics. Let's get started! Open your iMovie and click on Create New Movie. To import the files you want, click on the arrow that is pointing downwards on the very top of the page. A window will pop up, and on the left side, you can search through your computer to find the folder with all your files in it. When you have opened it up, you can just click and highlight every file you want and click on Import Selected. Another method is opening up a window and dragging all the files into the highlighted blue area. There are 3 methods to trim your video. The first method is to click on the video in your library section. You will see that there is a yellow box highlighting it. In that yellow box, you can move the sides of it to trim the area that you want. And once you have the area you want, you just drag it into your timeline. The second method is to drag your video into your timeline and then drag the ends of each side of the video to trim it to where you want it to be. The next method is to split your clip in half. Drag your cursor to where you desire to split, double tap or right click and click on Split Clip or Command B. Once you have split your clip, you can move your video around your storyboard. Top of the video, there are a list of tools you can use. The first tool allows you to change the color of your video. You can change the white balance or even match the color with another video. All you need to do is drag your mouse to your desired video and click on it, and it will automatically match the color. This helps make your video more consistent. The second button allows you to change the brightness of the video. All you need to do is just drag the little circles around to adjust the lighting. The square button allows you to crop your video. By clicking on Crop to Fill, you can zoom in on a section you want to show the audience. Simply drag the corners of the rectangle to zoom in. Next, clicking on Ken Burns will allow your video to naturally zoom in. If you click on the reverse button, it will zoom out. In the crop section, you can also rotate your video. If you were really shaky when you were filming, you can simply click on the camera button to stabilize your video. The next button is the speaker button. You can mute all your videos at once by clicking on the mute button or change the volume by clicking on the circle. If you highlight all your videos, you can adjust all of the audio at the same time. The next button looks like a bar graph. This button will allow you to reduce any background noise, and you can also adjust the volume. The next button will allow you to adjust the speed of the video. You can go fast and you can also go slow. Next, we have the filter button. Just like Instagram, you can apply different filters to your video. Click on Clip Filter and None, and a window will pop up. You can pick whichever filter you want to use. And finally, the last button is just information about the video you are using. Next, we will look at using titles. Drag a title card down to your storyboard or timeline, and you can change the text. You can also put it in between your videos. It's really up to you. When you're ready to type in the title or the words, just click on the screen and type in what you want to say. You can also change the font, and some of them will also allow you to change the size. You can also change the color by clicking on the white square. But I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Every title card will last for 4 seconds, but you can adjust it just like how you would edit a video. You can also add captions by dragging a title card on top of your video. Just like before, click on the words in the video and change to whatever you want to say. Next, we will talk about transitions. There are pre-made transitions from the application already. All you need to do is pick the one you like and drag it to your storyboard. Next, you will see audio. iMovie already comes with a lot of different sound effects. Once again, just drag the sound effect you want and drag it into your storyboard or timeline. You can also import music from GarageBand or from your iTunes. You can also download copyright-free music by importing the audio file into your library and once again dragging it to your timeline or storyboard. If your audio is too long, once again you can click on Command B to split your audio in half and delete the part you don't want. You can also trim it by adjusting the edges of it. You will also see there's a horizontal line. You can adjust the volume by simply dragging it up and down. On the edge of the audio clip, you will see 2 circles. The circle will allow you to create a fade-in or fade-out effect. Next, we will briefly talk about backgrounds. Backgrounds are usually used for green screen. However, sometimes I would use it as part of a stock video, especially if it's about traveling. Once you're done with your video, make sure you go to File, Share, and Create File. Here, you will be able to export your file from iMovie into an MP4 file. Type it in and click Next, and then you're done.